Hello, this is the free merchandise lady telling you about another wonderful site. It's called Casheo. This is so wonderful. Like I say, if you love gift cards and you want that little extra money without doing all this hard work or don't cost any fees, no fees, just straight up extra minutes of your time and just doing these surveys or tasks. Here on Casio, you could do easy tasks, you could play games, you could do downloads. Here's another one: top offers. You don't really have to do that. What my favorite: watch videos and play games and easy points. I just love that. And I'm challenging myself to do a $50 PayPal, that cash, and I'm 5150 points away from earning that. So I know I'm at 160 right now, but like I said, you could earn whatever you like. Let's see, that's my rewards. View the rewards. Look at this. Popular one, PayPal, because you get that cash. Like I said, you can free to join uh, PayPal and get that money free to join, sign up so you can get that PayPal cash. Just do whatever task that's easy for you, and do that. We got, look at that, Bitcoin. If you into Bitcoin investment, this is a great way. This is new. They added on. Um, they add a stock on the Visa. Look at some of these. Amazon. That's one of my favorite because I'm an Amazon Prime member. That'd be the next one I'd be working on. Just take a few minutes out of your time. Like I said, you could watch videos, you could play games, you could do surveys. It's just so many tasks you could do. It is very, very, very simple. Um, Look at it. Google Play, Spotify, Netflix, Apple Store, and iTunes, and the list go on and on. PlayStation and Nike, Foot Locker, just go on and on. Uber Eats, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, DoorDash, and look at this. The list go on and on. And Target, love that. eBay, Walmart, all these big names. Well, they out of stock on the Walmart. But look at that. Hotels.com. Look at that. Ticketmaster, Wayfair. I mean, all these big names. Staples. You could get those, even though the kids got some of their school supply, you could get them some more. Do those surveys, blah, 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 blah. Then TJ Maxx. You know what I would do? I would do get a bag, designer bag from TJ Maxx. They have some great bags there. They have from Italy, all over, um, different bags. That would be a great way. Best Buy, get those electronics. This is a great site. Like I said, my goal is set, and to do the PayPal to get that ching cash money, and that's what I would do. And like I said, the link is below. And to get started, this is a great site that I found where you can earn extra money, get that extra money, get those gift cards. Especially, like I said, if you into Bitcoin investment, look at this, and you could do it through doing these surveys or watching videos or playing games. This is big. If you love this, this is a great way to do it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is the free merchandise lady, so I can bring you more.